The lottery. You can't win if you don't play, but if you do win, what happens next? Keep watching, and I'll share some details that you might need to know. There's no set of laws that govern office lottery pools. The only laws that you could rely on are those generated by agreements or contracts that you enter into with those with whom you are playing the lottery. You should have your agreement between your co-players in writing. That writing should spell out who's going to buy the tickets. Make sure whoever is responsible for buying your lottery tickets takes pictures of those tickets or makes copies of those tickets and passes them around to every member of that lottery pool. You wouldn't want someone to buy your lottery tickets for the office pool, have one of those tickets be the winner, and then that person later claim that, oh no, that was the personal ticket that I bought for myself. That was not part of the office pool because they took their losing ticket and replaced it in the office pool. You need copies of the tickets before the drawing. Your agreement between your co-players, it should talk about how much each participant is contributing to the pool. In most office lottery pools, everybody puts in the same amount. You need to have some document that spells out what each player is contributing and what percentage of any win they would be entitled to if you get lucky. The agreement you and your co-employees put together should include occasions where a co-employee is out of town. Is there someone going to be entrusted and responsible for putting in for that employee? Or does that employee get cut out if there are winnings to be shared? You're going to have really hurt feelings and perhaps a lawsuit if your group wins and you didn't include the co-employee who was out that week on vacation, but who had contributed every other time you put a pool together and every other drawing that occurred. If you have an office pool and you buy tickets for a particular drawing, if no one wins the big jackpot, the jackpot rolls over to the next drawing. But what if from those tickets you did buy, you won some money? Let's say you won $8, $50, $1,000. You have to have an agreement as to whether you want those winnings reinvested in more tickets or whether you want those winnings distributed to the participants of the office pool. What happens if it's your lucky day and your lottery pool hits big? You then have co-employees who didn't participate come out of the woodwork and say they would have participated if they had known about it, or they would have participated if you gave them the opportunity, but you excluded them for whatever reason. Do they have a claim to your lottery winnings? I'm here to tell you they don't, but also don't be surprised if they hire a lawyer and try to make such a claim. Just remember, the office lottery pool is the only pool that doesn't have a lifeguard, so protect yourself by having a written agreement. Thank you for watching this video on office lottery pools. Please subscribe to our Tiger Talks channel, and if you have any questions about what I've talked about, please leave your comments below and I will personally respond to them.